Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here for the monthly collaboration called Crack the Vault. This is a collab hosted by Jamie, who is Poetspice. Hello, Jamie. And I'm doing something a little different this month. I have these puzzle pieces that I want to alter, and I had done this with my daughter and granddaughter a while back. I had done this one, and we each did one, sort of a motivational magnet for my refrigerator. No excuses, set goals, oh yes, and work it. This was an exercise inspiration, apparently in July, whatever year it was. And I think at that time I was going to make one a month, but I never did. And my granddaughter, one of them made one at the same time. It's a good way to use up scraps, and I even put something on the back. Sweet friendships refresh the soul. It's funny. I just used a sentiment similar to that. Friendships refresh the soul on a card. Yes, actually, it went up today. I made it yesterday. So I am going to be making more refrigerator magnets, and I'm going to use scraps to do it, and I don't know what else in my stash. I'll pull out maybe some buttons. Actually, here is a button on the top of this one. Looks like glitter glue I used all around. Looks like a paint pen. Now this puzzle, let me show you. These pieces are out of this 2+ Crocodile Creek puzzle. I can't remember if I got it at Target or Walmart. I did not get it at Dollar Tree, I don't think. Yeah, anyway, it had 12 pieces. So it was a larger pieces like this. And I have taken a little bit of sanding paper and sanded them down a little bit, and I'll probably just glue paper on top on both sides. Although I kind of like the back. Crocodile Creek. Anyway, and then I also have these I got at a yard sale somewhere. They're nice big pieces. And these are interesting. I almost don't know if I want to use them because they are, I didn't realize this, but backyard bugs. So all different bugs on the pieces, and I can see right here there's a part of a butterfly, which is gorgeous. So I don't know when I'll use those, but I'm going to use, I still have some more. This is Happy Hedgehog. I can't get it open. But anyway, you get the idea. There's still 3 or 4 more pieces, but they're a little bit smaller ones. A lot of round edges. And stuff. So let me get started, and I'll see what I come up with and how many I can get done in time, and I'll come back and show you the finished projects. Okay, see you soon. Okay, I'm back. I'm going to have to do this quickly because my laptop is not recognizing the plugin. Anyway, I got 2 pretty much finished. I don't have the magnets on the back on this one. The back is just this paper, which is the reverse of the paper I used on the front. And you can see I went around the edge with some pearls that I had not opened before. They, I think, were from AC Moore years ago for $2.50 for this whole thing, and I hadn't used them. And I dug into my button jars and some buttons that a friend, someone traded with me in a swap or something years ago, and I don't even know who she is. I think it was a Facebook swap. This was some ribbon from Dritz. Oh, I got it at Tuesday Morning. Ruffle Elastic Berry, which some of the colors in this I think are Berry Burst. And let's see what else. Anything else? Oh, green stickles around the. I could not bend these pearls. I used hot glue to put these on, but the problem is I couldn't bend them and get the glue in there. It was a mess. And also the hot glue apparently removes the color, because the one I did try, in the center part, there was green color in there. And then this Time Flies When You're Having Fun is from this Paper Studios sticker pack. I have this laying on here on top of case so I can just move it. And again, this is the one I did, I don't know, years ago. So the next one I used, let me show you the paper. Let's see. This scrap I had. The back is this, but I didn't end up, I did cut it, but I cut it wrong, and I decided to just paint it. I'm going to see if I can lift it up by this flower. See, it's just painted in a cream, and I'm going to have to sand off some of the glitter glue. So, these are from Pebbles I had from a paper collection, and I found this Live Life in Full Bloom, which I don't like to use on cards and stuff, but it's okay on a magnet for the refrigerator. And these flowers are these little birdie ones. I'm pretty sure I got at, I don't know where I got. Did I get them at, I might have got them online. I can't, or was that Hobby Lobby? No, I don't know where I got them. These I got at Hobby Lobby. They weren't open yet. These are from the, I guess, the wedding section, because they were called His and Hers paper flowers, and they have the green stems on it, which right now I left that stem on because it's on like that. I'm kind of thinking I might end up gluing this down, and then I could use it like a hanger. So I can use it to hang or put a magnet on the back, or both, right? And then I have a whole tote of wooden pieces, so I thought I better start using them. So I used this leaf and this flower, and I colored them with alcohol markers, actually. This is dark old olive, and same as this. And then this is a combination of dark petal pink and a retire color, light rococo rose. And I thought that worked out pretty well. So those are my almost finished makes. Oh, and I had a third piece, right? The third piece is not done because I decided to just paint it, and it's gessoed on the back, and it was gessoed, and then I have these metallic paints in two blues I used not too long ago. What color? Blue sapphire, and what did I use these for? Oh, my dream, what was that? Altered index card, I think. And ice blue. And I kind of mixed them. First I did ice blue, and then I did a little bit of metallic or blue sapphire. They're both metallics. And then I went over it with, and I mixed that in, and then I went over it with the light blue, I'm sorry, the dark blue again, the sapphire. But I messed it up here somehow. And it's a little tacky yet, so I didn't want to do anything. I'm going to come back, excuse me, thinking give it one more coat. And then this is just going to be either birds or butterflies or something. I haven't decided yet, and a sentiment and maybe some lace or something. So that's what'll be happening with that. And you know, the way this knob is, I could actually put a grommet through there and have it as a hanging too. But I don't think I will. I think I'll do magnets for all of them, except this one can also be a hanging one. So let me know what you think of my altered puzzle pieces. It was a little challenging for me this time. I didn't remember it being so challenging for this one. I just wasn't coming easy to me this time around. But I did them, so there you go. I'm using up stuff in my stash. And that's all for this month, everyone. I will be finishing these, but I don't know if I'll show them again on camera or not. Well, except maybe the blue one I'll have to show because it's not done. Because these aren't going to change except for putting magnets on the back and probably gluing this down somehow. Okay? Take care, have a wonderful day, and please go check everyone else's videos. There's quite a number of us in this collaboration, and the whole point of it is to, Use things in your stash that you haven't used for 6 months or more or never used before. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your day and weekend. Hugs, love, and peace.